7 years ago, I started this channel to find a way out of the dark. Losing my mother, it changed everything. These cars became my therapy, my way of speaking when I had no words left. But then life happened. 2 years of silence, working every extra hour, grinding just to build this new sanctuary. And when I lost my father recently, the silence became absolute. I sat there looking at these legends and I truly thought this was it. I thought I had reached my end. But it turns out this is in fact not the end. Not at all. Sitting in my new workshop on the floor, looking at these legends, thinking about all they've been through, everything I've been through, we've got another detail in common, and that's that we all stood the test of time. Looking at these cars, I kept thinking they've got left a lot of life in them. And I recognized so have I. So let's dust ourselves off and get the party started.